Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. I have been using the OnePlus 6 for a few days now and a lot of you guys asked me to compare it with the iPhone 10 in terms of the camera. So here we are today comparing both of these cameras, that is the iPhone 10 versus OnePlus 6. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Let's do it a little different this time. I'm not going to talk about the specs of the cameras on each of these devices. Instead, let's go to the photos directly. As always, let's start with daylight photography. So in daylight conditions, both these phones perform really well. The detail level is excellent and so is the sharpness. Color reproduction is more natural and true to life on the iPhone 10 and a little more saturated on the OnePlus 6. It comes down to the personal preference and I prefer the natural colors on the iPhone 10. As far as the dynamic range goes, the iPhone 10 definitely performs better than the OnePlus 6. Both these phones do come with an auto HDR mode, which is useful more often than not. Hence, as far as daylight photography goes, both phones do a pretty good job. Next up, let's talk about the portrait mode. Now both these phones offer portrait mode and here the difference is very clear. iPhone 10 captures more natural portraits, whereas the OnePlus 6 captures portraits with a lot of saturation and even the background blur seems a bit too aggressive. So OnePlus is clearly using an aggressive algorithm for portrait mode. Hence, this round goes to the iPhone 10. Moving on, we have video from the rear camera. iPhone 10 as well as OnePlus 6 can shoot up to 4K at 60 FPS, which is bonkers. Both these phones do come with optical stabilization, which helps a lot to get smooth footage while you're shooting handheld. So as far as the quality of the video goes, I again prefer the iPhone 10 with its natural colors as compared to the saturated image on the OnePlus 6. Next up, let's talk about them selfies. So OnePlus 6 clearly captures better selfies as compared to the iPhone 10. The detail is better and so is the dynamic range. For some reason, I don't really like the front camera of the iPhone 10, hence this round goes to the OnePlus 6. One thing that the iPhone 10 has is front portrait mode. Front portrait mode is coming to the OnePlus 6 really soon via a software update, so that comparison will take place after the update. Definitely follow me on Instagram to watch sample images when that update comes out. So hey guys, this is the front camera video test of the iPhone 10 and the OnePlus 6. Do let me know about the audio quality of each of these devices and also about the video quality. I think that the OnePlus 6 is a little bit better, but yeah, do let me know about that in the comment section down below. The next part of the video is low light photography. Here again, OnePlus 6 is using some kind of aggressive algorithm which produces way too saturated images. I would definitely prefer the iPhone 10 for low light images with its natural colors and no extra saturation. But you guys let me know your pick. I'll put a poll in the I button, so definitely vote for your favorite phone. As far as low light selfies go, both these phones come with a display flash which does help to capture good selfies in low light conditions. But if you don't use the flash, then the low light selfies are not good. So that's why you should use the flash and you will get really good results. Now video from the rear camera doesn't look that good in low light conditions from both of these phones. The video has a lot of noise which I personally don't like. So hence, as far as video from the rear camera goes in terms of low light conditions, I would say that it is a tie and both perform equally bad. Hence, to sum up everything, I would say that the OnePlus 6 definitely performed better than my expectation. iPhone 10 surely has a better set of cameras, but it costs twice as much as the OnePlus 6. So the question comes, is the iPhone 10 worth it at twice the price for slightly better cameras? Most definitely not. On the other hand, for 35,000 rupees, OnePlus 6 offers some incredible cameras and you will have a good time with this phone. That's why I would say that the OnePlus 6 is the best phone in its price segment as far as the camera goes. So anyway, this was a very quick camera comparison between the OnePlus 6 and the iPhone 10. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, then go ahead and smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. You can follow me on all my social media platforms. All the links as always are available in the description box below. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.